September 13, 1993, a devastating 6.2 magnitude earthquake struck Latur district, Maharashtra, causing widespread destruction. The tremor, which occurred around 4 am while most were asleep, resulted in the collapse of houses and the death of approximately 10,000 people. Thousands were injured and lakhs were left homeless. The earthquake destroyed 52 villages with more than 30,000 people injured and over 2 lakh houses across 12 surrounding districts damaged. The quake caused severe cracks in the ground, complicating relief efforts and leaving a trail of devastation across the region. On September 30, 2010, the Lucknow bench of the Allahabad High Court delivered a significant verdict in the Ayodhya land dispute case. The court proposed the dividing contested land into 3 parts, one for Ram Lalla, one for the Uttar Pradesh Sunni Central Waqf Board, and one for the Nirmohi Akhada. However, none of the parties involved were satisfied with the ruling, leading them to appeal to the Supreme Court. On May 9, 2011, the Supreme Court stayed the High Court's order maintaining the status quo. Finally, on November 9, 2019, the Supreme Court awarded ownership of the land to Sri Ram Lalla, paving the way for the construction of the Ram Temple. This site, where Babur is said to have demolished the original Ram Temple to build the disputed structure, had long been a focal point of demands by Hindus for its return. On September 30, 2001, senior Congress leader Madhav Rao Scindia tragically died in a plane crash in Manipuri, Uttar Pradesh. Scindia, along with 6 others, was travelling in a private aircraft to address a meeting in Manipuri when the plane crashed. Several journalists were also on board. In a show of respect that transcended party lines, then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee sent a special aircraft to bring Scindia's body back. Madhav Rao Scindia is remembered as one of India's most successful railway ministers, particularly for launching the Shatabdi Express trains, which continue to serve the nation today. On September 30, 2008, a tragic stampede at the Chamunda Devi Temple in Maharangar Fort, Jodhpur, claimed the lives of 224 people and injured over 425. The incident occurred on the first day of Navratri, when around 25,000 devotees had gathered for darshan. As the temple gates opened in the morning, the crowd surged forward, causing many to slip to the slope near the temple. This stampede led to the people being crushed and suffocated, resulting in numerous deaths. Most of the victims were local men and children, while women in a separate line remained largely unharmed. On September 30, 2013, RJD chief Lalu Prasad Yadav was convicted in the infamous Fodder scam, one of Bihar's largest corruption scandals. This scam involved the fraudulent withdrawal of Rs 950 crores from the state treasury under the pretense of feeding livestock. As a result, Lalu Yadav, then chief minister, was forced to resign. This scam, which surfaced in 1996, implicated several political leaders, including Jagannath Mishra. Following his conviction by CBI court in Ranchi, Lalu Yadav was sentenced to 5 years in prison and fined Rs 25 lakh, becoming the first MP to lose his seat due to a corruption conviction. On September 30, 2009, a powerful 7.6 magnitude earthquake struck 600 kilometers northwest of Padang, Sumatra, Indonesia, killing 1,100 people. The earthquake caused widespread destruction, with hospitals, schools, shopping malls, hotels, government offices and power lines collapsing, cutting off the city from the outside world. Over 3,000 people were seriously injured and about 1.5 lakh homes were destroyed, affecting an estimated 12 lakh people from 2.5 lakh families. The following day, another earthquake with a magnitude of 6.8 hit 1,000 kilometers south of the original epicenter, though it did not cause further casualties or damage.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.